times. See, the problem with bodegas is they never remember you. So you always have to do something extreme to let them know that it's you when you're cool.
Hey, fellas, y'all know me. Come on now. Look at this.
Hey, Black Ass. Hey, why you didn't warn us earlier, eh?
It's a little degrading. If you desperate, you can get it from the risers at Washington Square Park, but that stuff ain't even weed most of the time. I don't fall for that shit anymore. Then there's a delivery service run by a guy named Samson Simpson. Now, when you can afford it, this is the best way. I mean, you can get anything you want, from weed to heroin. Now, I don't do drugs, though. Just weed. Coming. See, all you have to do is call them up, and a half hour later, you got a delivery guy at your house. What a country.
Hi, you call about your plumbing, something about empty pipes?
Secret code. Come on in.
You want highs, mediums, or lows?
How are the highs, man?
I say they got kind of a piney taste, almost minty. Notice the little red hairs?
Yeah.
And the rich greenery?
I see those.
It's definitely the highest grade hydroponics in the city.
Where'd you go to weed college? Damn, nigga. All right, give me a 50 bag of that.
It's been a pleasure.
Pleasure's all mine. Tell Samson I said hello, would you?
Sure thing.
Now, everybody has their own little ritual when it comes to smoking.
Help us around, fellas.
And we were no different.
Break out Billy Bone Thornton.
Yeah.
Billy, good to see you, man.
Yeah. All right, line up.
Shoes off. Oh. Brian, put yours back on, man.
For real, B. Your sock laundry, yo.
Gentlemen, assume your positions. Fire in the hall.
That's good.
Yo, who's on munchies tonight, yo?
Not me.
I guess that'd be me. What do you guys want?
Get some sour cream and onion chips with some dip, man. Some beef jerky, some peanut butter. Get some Haagen-Dazs ice cream bars, a whole lot of hot. Make sure chocolate. Gotta have chocolate, man. Some popcorn, red popcorn, graham crackers. Graham crackers with the marshmallows, the little marshmallows, and little chocolate bars, and we'll make some s'mores, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, yo.
Also, celery, grape jelly, Captain Crunch with the little crunch berries. Pizzas. We need 2 big pizzas, man. Everything on them with water, a whole lot of water, and Funyuns.
That's it? Yeah. Anyone want anything else?
Oh, yeah, give me a box of condoms and, what's that stuff? I used to eat it all the time back in the day. Pussy. That's right.
You got it.
Thanks, man.
And hey! If I'm not back in 10 minutes, call the police.
If he ain't back in 10 minutes, we calling Domino's.
I'm hungry, man. Yeah, yo.
Hey, girl. You hungry?
Fuck you, nigga.
Hey, I'm sorry. I was talking to the horse here. You see the trouble you're getting me into? You're hungry, aren't you? Here. Oh. You like popcorn. It makes your teeth go pop, 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 pop.
This is Buster Phillips and coming in at number 8, like El Nino. Samson gets me lifted by my main man Ho. Sure smoke a lot. Ha!
Yeah.
This guy is weed crazy. Look at
What do you want, Master?